go.
You got it going? Okay. In this film, I'm going to demonstrate the proper way to pick up your puppy. Coda, come here. Come here. Sit. Wait. I'm going to give her a treat first. Good. All right. What a good girl. What a good girl. So what I do is I go ahead and get her front paws like this. Come here. And then go ahead and grab hold of her little rear end. And that's how you pick up a puppy. Never grab them by the front of their paws. Okay. Then another way, when you got a bunch of kids approaching your dog, just tell them to back off for a little bit. Sit back, relax, let the dog come to you. Coda, sit. What a good girl. And when they're approaching the puppy's face, bring your hand underneath the face, not over the head, because they're not used to that. That's something that instinctively they don't want you getting over them as a wild animal. Wait. They don't want you petting their heads. Okay, until they really know you. Only you can get this close to your dog. A stranger should always just let them sniff their hands first, and then go to pet them. Coda, come here. Bring me your toy. Bring it. I'll give you the rawhide. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Wait. Good girl. Okay, so she dropped it real easy for me because I've offered her a treat. And this is how you can go ahead and teach them how to retrieve. Okay, go get it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it, Coda. No, you forgot your treat. Go get it. Go get your treat. Come here. Can you get this? Let me get that for you. Come here. Let's do it again. Coda, drop it. Drop it. Come here. Sit. No, no. Sit. Go get it.
I don't think she's going to do it.
I want my treat. Go get your treat for me. Go give me that. Give me the ducky. Let me have that duck. Okay, bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. No, Coda, bring it. Come here. Okay, now I want you to get it for me. Go get it. Now bring it. This takes patience. Coda, bring it. Come here, bring it. Oh, you forgot your treat. Wait. Let's bring that. Sometimes I just have to tie this onto a little fishing pole and reel it back in. Okay, grab hold. Now let go. Good. Okay, Coda. I'm just not teaching her this, you can tell. Okay. Coda, go get it. Bring it. Coda. Bring it, bring it, bring it. Good girl. You almost have it. Let's bring it. No, no, no. Coda. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, sit. Now, put that in your mouth. Okay, now you're going to give that to me? Yeah, easy. Okay, sit. Okay, now you drop. Oh, you just dropped it right away. If I get a treat over a duck, that's what I want. Coda, Coda. I can see she's way over me. Eventually she'll learn how to fetch. That was not a very good lesson.